Hello everyone and welcome back to Jewelry Intel. I just received my Magnasonic Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner from Amazon and now let's unbox it and see whether it cleans the jewelry effectively. Check out the link below in the description so you can grab one yourself. Here's the manual and here's the main cleaning unit. It's actually just the perfect size. It's not too small or too big, which makes it easy to store. We also have here a spacious removable cleaning basket. It can definitely hold multiple accessories. Just a heads up, if you're outside the United States and Canada, check your local outlet voltage. This ultrasonic cleaner runs on 110 voltage, so you'll need a voltage converter in any country that supplies a much higher voltage. Alright, so I'll be cleaning jewelry pieces that are safe for this ultrasonic cleaner, including rings, bracelets, and an old watch I haven't used in ages, to see how well it works. If you've seen my other videos, you know that I love to explore new methods and techniques to keep jewelry shining like new. If you're here for that too, hit subscribe and stick around while I put this ultrasonic cleaner to the test. Let's check the instruction manual, which includes precautions to keep in mind before getting started. The items you can clean are different types of jewelry, glasses and watches, hygiene items, stationery items, and dirty silver. You can also clean certain tools, watch parts, and kitchen utensils. Be sure to read the instructions thoroughly to check what you can and cannot clean with this ultrasonic cleaner. Remember to use plain water or add just a few drops of mild dish soap. Also, don't add harsh chemicals like bleach or ammonia. That's a sure way to ruin your jewelry. And don't overfill past the maximum line. You can see the maximum line here. When running continuous cycles, let the unit cool down first to avoid damaging it. Now let's get started. I'm filling the tank with water, ensuring that I don't overfill past the maximum line. Make sure the water covers the items you want to clean. Also, add more than 1 cup of water because you'll risk damaging the device if you put a very small amount only. Now I'm arranging my jewelry pieces inside the basket. You can see that these items pretty much need deep cleaning. There's deep-seated gunk in the jewelry, especially the ones with intricate designs. I'll clean the watch later because you have to hold the case above the water and submerge only the strap or band. I'm going to add dish soap. Just a few drops will do. If you bought the ultrasonic cleaner with the cleaning solution package, then you can use that cleaning solution instead of dish soap. Now I'll put the cleaning basket back in the machine carefully. Next, I'll press the set button to select the cleaning time. I'll set it to 480 seconds for maximum cleaning. This ultrasonic cleaner has 5 cleaning cycles. Just choose one of the 5 modes on the digital display, whether you want a quick clean or deep cleaning. Now I'll press the on button to start the cleaning process. You'll likely notice a buzzing sound, which is the ultrasonic waves working their magic to get rid of stubborn dirt and grime. The cleaner will stop automatically when the timer is done. You can also manually stop it by pressing the off button. Now let's see the results. Right out of the tank, these pieces look much brighter and shinier. Look at this ring. The dull areas seem to have disappeared. Everything just looks a lot cleaner. Even the tiniest crevices are crystal clean. I'm actually impressed. Do you see the difference? They almost look brand new. It's like getting your jewelry professionally cleaned at a jewelry store. It seems that this ultrasonic cleaner can effectively remove dirt buildup. This thing really delivers. Now let me clean this dirty silver watch that I haven't used for a long time. Make sure the case is safely above the water. You want to clean the watch band only. I'll set the cleaner to 380 seconds for deep cleaning. Well, look at that! It looks shinier. I'm surprised that the layers of dirt are now gone. All of the gunk basically just disappeared. After thoroughly testing this cleaner, I can say that this small machine is a real game changer. It's super easy to use, no need for scrubbing. It deep cleans quickly and makes your accessories shine beautifully with just water and a bit of dish soap. The lid is very secure. Your jewelry items sit safely inside the tank, and there are zero leaks. I'm pretty happy with the results overall. I like that I can choose from the 5 timer presets because some things just need a quick clean. I also like the automatic shut-off feature, and this machine is compact, so it's easy to store. Honestly, it's really worth the purchase. If you want a fast, convenient, and hassle-free way to revitalize your dirty jewelry or watch bands, I definitely recommend this Magnasonic Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. Just a quick note though, it's not designed to remove tarnish, and it's not suitable for soft stones or delicate finishes. So if you want to clean tarnished jewelry, you'll need a soft brush to gently get rid of tarnish after using your ultrasonic cleaner. Check out my other cleaning videos so you know exactly what to do. Hopefully, this review provided you with all the information you need about this cleaning machine. I put the Amazon link in the description below this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, or share your experience with me if you also have an ultrasonic cleaner. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.